Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. PSVT treatment, that is, stands for the Paroxysmal Supraventricular Tachycardia. So let's look at its treatment regimen. So first we have the hemodynamically. So in terms of hemodynamically stable regular. So hemodynamically stable regular or the narrow QRS tachycardia or the narrow QRS tachycardia. So this will result in the vagal manuus. Then comes the IV adenosine as well as the IV verapamil or the diltiazem. Verapamil or the diltiazem. So all this it again moves on to the termination. Next is in case there is no termination. So in terms there is no termination. So what happens? So in case there is no termination, there will be the IV ebutylite. So IV ebutylite plus the AV nodal. So IV ebutylite plus the AV nodal blocking agent. And there is also the IV procainamide. So there is IV procainamide plus the AV nodal blocking agent. That is and the cardioversion. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.